Good evening, ma'am. I am Jillian Grace G. Tubil, and I am the next reporter for the Lesson 2 Marketing Strategies and Plans. So, we have this so-called ethical principles and social responsibility. So, when we say ethics, it is the study of right and wrong. And then, why is it that ethics is rising to the top of the corporate agenda? So it is because ethics is very important in the business. So it will serves as a guide on the the operation of the business. So like for example, so we have these very concerning issues happen in our country, the flood control project concern. So this involves unethical behavior or unethical operation of this particular company. So ang iyang operation is wala naka-align sa ethical values. So there is a high possibility that the business will face a kanang mga concern, mga issues nga makadaot sa ilaang kumpanya. So another thing is ethics is somewhat like mura siya murag mo guide bitaw sa atuang business nga para ma-align ang atuang mga actions into the right way, and that is also our social responsibility nga kumbaga kung may namangutag social responsibility ato ang responsibilidad as business owners or as um, marketing manager. So ang responsibilidad nato is dili lang makagain ta og profit, kun dili usab kung ang atuang operation ba is na-align ba siya into the right way, wala siya nakadaot sa environment. Like for example, kung manufacturing ta na business. So, ang atuang social responsibility is dapat naka-align siya sa ethical values or mga ethical principles nga dili siya makadaot sa society. Kung baga wala siya or negative impact sa society. And that is our social responsibility as a business owners po. There are elements of the mission statement. Kung mingon tag mission statement, according to Mitzberg, so mission statement describes the organization's basic function in the society in terms of the product and services it produces to its customers. Like for example, here in GRMSU, so ato ang mission statement is to provide an effective and efficient services along research, instruction, production, and extension. So that is the purpose of the management of JRMSU. That mission statement will serves as also a guide for the university or for the business establishment in how they do their operations. So first is dapat a clear business mission have a purpose. So muna siya una, purpose. Nganong ni-exist man nga particular nga business, nganong gitukod man nga particular nga business. So unsay purpose? So like for example, in Baron Bake Shop, ang mga bakery, ang ilang purpose na nag-exist sila is para mo-deliver sila og mga products, mga bread, other pastries, para sa mga katipuneros or other individuals. Next element is a strategy and strategic scope. This defines the boundaries of its operation. So, kaning strategy and strategic scope, these are set by the management. Muna siya, kumbaga, boundaries sa kung asa ra gyud ang inyo ang operation taman. Products ana is mainly mga baked breads. So ilang purpose is tama na gyud sila, dili sila pwede mamaligi og tsinelas, dili sila mamaligi og sinina. So next element is policies and standards of behavior. So mission statement needs to be converted into everyday action. Or natarong ba na siya og implement or ginasunod ba na siya? So next is values and culture. So this is also a very fundamental aspect in the business operation, in the business establishment, values and culture. So dapat ang inyong business has this values. Kinagawian na gid siya sa usa ka business establishment. So, ang inyong business code is na siya positive social impact. Kung nani siyang upat kaning purpose, strategy and strategic scope, policies and standards of behavior, and values of culture. So meaning to say, your business has a clear mission statement. That concludes my report. Thank you so much for listening, ma'am.